Hey guys, it's your girl Brenda Gibbs and I'm back on your screen. I am at the dentist's office. Just an appointment for my son and myself. So I just thought I'd come back to you guys and say hey, it's morning and took my sweater, somebody cold. I told him the dentist's office will be cold. But anyway guys, I'll see y'all when I come back. What's up, my loves? I ran to get me some Wendy's really quick. My son has an appointment to get his cleaning, and so do I. So there was a break in between, so I just ran to get something to eat because I'm hungry. I haven't even ate breakfast. So I was gonna sit out by Wendy's, but I'll sit in the car. All right, I'll update you guys a little bit later.
Your favorite YouTuber is bogus for giving me the small burger when she know I ain't gonna be full of it.
You said a 4 for 4.
I didn't know it was yes, Mom.
Anyway, y'all, we're in the car. Let me roll up the windows because the air is on, so that's the noise that you hear. I should have get some ketchup.
There's no need for it.
I got this barbecue sauce. So like I said, we're trying to eat fast because we have an appointment to get our teeth cleaned. It was crowded. Oh, this barbecue sauce tastes better than ketchup. That barbecue sauce is tangy. Anyway, let me get off of here. This air is crunked. Everybody coming to the dentist. Looks like it's crowded. I guess since COVID, we weren't able to go to the dentist, but I'm so glad they took me while I was off. Okay guys, I'll be back. Ooh, I gotta get it. What's up, y'all? It's your girl Brenda Gibbs, and I'm back. I gotta get a crown, and my mouth is numb. I feel like I can't even feel my top lip, but I told y'all I'll be back. Yep. So I gotta get, what is it, a filling, and then they put the crown on top. Gotta do what you gotta do. So, oh my goodness, this is fun. This is fun. Stop drinking my stuff. I don't drink.
It's good though.
Listen, we don't drink after each other. Okay? You don't drink after nobody.
Yeah.
All right, y'all, I'm back. My mouth is still numb from being at the dentist's office, so I'm gonna talk with my mouth like.
I'm gonna talk for you.
I just feel like they swell. So, like I was saying, I don't feel any pain or anything. My mouth just feels, my mouth feels numb. And let's see, I'll go this way. I don't need to go in these beauty stores because I have to pay for a crown. Thank God my husband got good insurance, because I would have had to pay a lot of money. But now I'm on my way. Yeah, I just stopped at the juicy crab. I see they changed it to the saucy crab. I hope it tastes the same. I wonder why they changed their name. I don't have on no seatbelt. Yep, so I got some crab legs. So, yep, so I stopped at the crab place and hopefully it still tastes the same or even better. And he wants McDonald's for some reason, so he gonna get McDonald's, and we're off the. I've been at the dentist's office. Matter of fact, we've been at the dentist's office like a whole shift almost. We got there. My appointment was at 12. His was at 11. I think I got out there around 5. Yes, and it's 6 o'clock. So, y'all, I'm gonna go in the house, park this car in the garage, and it's one for the day. I'm gonna park it in the garage and go on about my business, stay in the house and chill. It's been a long day, but I'm glad I had to get this clean and everything done, so they won't have to see me with the cleaning until, well, I gotta go back for my crown, so whatever. Yep, so I can't even smile. Oh, it's coming back. It still feel weird though. How your mouth feel? You over there just smiling.
My mouth is so numb.
Why is your mouth numb, Mir?
Because
He want to be like me.
Well, I'm just playing my mouth numb.
Okay. Well, y'all, let me get off this video. I'll see y'all in a minute. Hey guys, so I'm back and I have my mouth. Y'all see that? My mouth still feels a little, it's still numb on this side. I have my crab. So I just got a tin. So I just got this pan, aluminum pan. And look at all this. Ooh, looks delicious. So, oh, they have shrimp in it too. Okay. So I'm gonna take some out and I'm gonna put some in here. And I got the whoop, and so I got the Tuesday special. They have it on Tuesdays and Wednesdays. Everything is, so you get a half a pound of snow crab, you get a shrimp head. I'm sorry, you get a half a pound of shrimp, you get 2 corns, 3 potatoes, and I got a bulk of mussels. I got the black mussels. So earlier you probably seen, anyway, I got the old pig sauce. Medium, I didn't get the hot this time. And yeah, and the Tuesday special is $26.99. I'm beat because I've been out all day. I didn't expect to be at the dentist that long, but I guess beauty takes time, honey. You gotta take care of your teeth too, right? Gotta get my teeth fixed. I don't want to touch this stuff with my hands. Let me find a glove. Hold on. And I also got the McDonald's pink lemonade, the slushy. I like that. I told them extra ice, so you gotta kind of drink it fast. Yeah. Okay. All right. So I'm gonna take some out. Oh, I got mussels, y'all. Potatoes. They give you 3 potatoes. I'll probably eat 2. Some shrimp. Make sure I get the sauce because it's in the sauce. My crab legs. Look good, don't it? Yes, and then I have my drink. I have my drinky drink. I have my drink, so I'm ready to eat. Hey y'all, I'm back. I said I wasn't gonna come back, but I just want to share with you all my my food. Okay, so I never had mussels before, and don't pay no attention to my mouth, y'all, cause my mouth feel numb. Okay, so I try to keep it, as they say, 100. So I'm gonna eat these shrimp, but I want to eat the mussels for y'all. Give my reaction on how they taste. But I gotta eat my shrimp first. I feel like I got y'all close up. Okay. I know y'all can't see my food, but this is my pan. These shrimp so good. try to eat all slow and stuff. Let me eat these mussels and get off of here. I've never had mussels before, y'all. Never. So I got the, she said they green and some are black, so I got the black ones. And I can't even suck the shell. I can't even suck the shell, y'all, so I'm just gonna open it up like this. And this is how the mussel look. Like that. Okay. So I'm gonna eat it. And they taste good. It tastes real good. Okay. So I tried it, y'all. And I got the potato. I might have to shuck this corn. I ain't gonna be able to eat this corn. My mouth's real numb. Alright, y'all. So I'm about to get off of here. It's been one. I'm gonna watch some TV. I'm gonna watch some YouTube on the TV. It looks like it's about to rain. It's getting dark. Alright. I see y'all in the next video, you guys. I like mussels. I would advise you guys to get it because it was only $8 with your order, but you need to go on Tuesdays and Wednesdays. They got that special. It's good. It tastes like, it don't taste like shrimp, but it tastes like it's a seafood shrimp family. Yeah, it's good. Okay. Woo. Okay, y'all almost went down the wrong pipe. All right, y'all. Let me get off of here, but I just want to tell you guys, be safe, y'all. There's so much going on in this world. Be safe. And you hear people saying be safe, but it ain't just with COVID. It's just so much killing and violence going on. It's just unfreaking believable. I heard some bad news today, but I'm gonna share that with you all because I don't know the full story. But just be safe, y'all. Okay, with that being said, let me get off of here. All right, talk to y'all. Love y'all. All right, y'all, so I'm back and I just finished eating. I'm feeling a little bit on the sleepy side, but this is my dessert for today. Krispy Kreme donuts. I haven't had Krispy Kremes in a while, but it was my first time trying mussels. They were pretty good. I would order it again. I didn't eat all of them. I still have some. I put them in the refrigerator. So right now I'm going to eat this Krispy Kreme donut. I wanted to try it with the strawberry frosted and see if it's any good, but we shall see. So let me try it. It's sweet. I need some water. Oh my god, it's so sweet. Okay, eat that. It's like the icing, and then it's like double the icing because of the pink. Yeah, that was too sweet. I can't eat that. My son is so loud, I can hear him all the way in the basement. That's their thing. He is so loud. Okay, y'all. So I guess I'll come back to you guys in the morning unless something jump off today. But it looked like it's gonna be a chill day. I'm sitting at home. I'm watching me some YouTube. Yeah, and I'm just gonna chill. I thought that was my Amazon package, but I guess it's not. My husband must have ordered some stuff. So, I had some good news though. My Sephora order shipped. Yay! Yeah, I have made a real small purchase because I wanted something that I was trying to get at the store and they didn't have it. So yeah, I'm glad that it's shipped. So let me get off of here. I'll see y'all a little bit later.
Teaching for this particular month. And so I'm going to be starting a series today entitled The Power of a Committed Life. the power of a committed life. And I'm going to pick some Daniel.
Woo! What's up, y'all? Let me try to put
So I want you to grab your iPads,
put this on pause real quick. I was listening to my pastor. She's preaching Bible study. Oh my God, my hair's everywhere. I'm in here cleaning up this bathroom. And what was I about to tell y'all? I wanted to really quick just to share with you all this. This is the Miracle Spray for Glass. This right here is the business. This right here is the business. It gets the glass clean. Did I say good morning to y'all? Good morning. It's a new day, y'all. Yes, it is. And I got this from Home Goods. It was $3.99. It works really well. The glass is clean. I don't have any streaks. I don't know. I gotta put spray way down, y'all, because this right here is really good. And I also, a lot of you all were asking me about the shower doors. These shower doors up here, these shower doors in this room. This is the spotless shower for 7 days. It's called the Magic Shower Glass. Y'all probably see me because I got on my little sports bra. I don't be having on clothes when I be cleaning up. I ain't got time to be looking all cute. This how you look when you really be cleaning. But anyway, this right here is really good. And I got this from Marshall's, I believe. But it works. It works really well. So I'm cleaning up this bathroom. Hold on one second. I'm cleaning up this bathroom. Let me show y'all more of my cleaning products. This is a Power Foam Bath Cleaner. This is what I'm using to clean out that tub. And it works really well. It's by Lysol. It's 10 times cleaning action. It works really, really well. And this is a bottle that I don't use. This is another thing that I want to share with you all. This is a bottle that I don't use. The reason why I usually don't wear gloves, but the reason why I'm wearing gloves is because I polish my nails. I don't want them to mess up. So right now, I'm just taking it in. I need my uncle to refill the grout in this here tub. But it's cleaning out the tub really well. I just need to take off the things for the jets. Yeah. And clean the walls one more time. The towel on the walls real good with the Lysol all around. And then I'm going to clean the doors. And let me show y'all the glass, y'all. This is the glass, y'all. It cleans it really, really well. Yes. So I don't want to be on here too long. I just want to come to you and tell you guys what I'm up to. Good morning. And yeah, so I'll probably see y'all a little bit later. What's up, you guys? I wanted to share with you all this right here. This is the Odor Band. Eliminates odors. It's a disinfectant, and it's also a laundry and air freshener. This is bomb. I dilute it and I put it in my mop water to make that smell. It smells so fresh and so good. So this is another one of the products that I've been using. Let me show y'all really quick. Alright, let me go do something to my face and my hair. Okay, so I'm getting hungry and we're gonna have us some, well, not us, but I'm gonna have some frosted flakes. And this is what I'm gonna eat. Give me a spoon. Okie dokie, so I have my frosted flakes. Time to eat. What's up, y'all? So I am finished. I finally did my hair, as you can see, and yep, I'll insert some pictures so that y'all can see it. It's so hot outside. I went to dump some few boxes out. Yeah, it's so hot outside. I don't care. This hairstyle is gonna do. All right, well, let me get off of here, upload this video, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, have a blessed one. Bye, y'all.